y squared equal to 4ax is a sideways parabola. So this point, a fixed point, is a focus point, 0a. So the distance from the vertex and to the point is a, which is called focal length. And a chord that passing through focus point, we call focal chord. Of course, a vertical line, okay, this line here we call lacus rectum. So the distance, okay, from one end to another end is 4a. And from the vertex to a line here, this line here we call equation of directrix. So the equation of this is x equal to -a. Consider the parabola y squared equal to 12x. Find the coordinates of the vertex and the focus. So we know that y squared equal 12x. If you think about it, this means that x divided by 12 both sides. So x is the same as 1/12 of y squared, if you like, because of y squared. Okay, I can just do a quick sketch on here. So this is x and this is y. So we know that the vertex is 0, 0. Otherwise, I just clear this, is here. So the y squared and equal 12x doesn't move for the vertex. So the vertex is 0, 0 is the vertex. It's here. And positive y squared equal 12x. So they're all positive. So the curve is like this. That's all. Now, because of y squared equal to 12x, what I do, I know the rule is y squared is equal to 4ax. That's the rule. So now I just compare the coefficient of x and this one here. So we know that 4a is equal to 12, a is equal to 3. So which means that length from the vertex to the focus point is 3 units. So therefore, this focus point here, so it's 3, 0. So that's it. This is a focus point. And we know that the length from here to here is 3 units as well. So this means that from here 3. So this is directrix equal to -3. So now we can answer the question. Find the coordinates of the vertex. So you go, therefore, the vertex is 0, 0. And the focus point, so focus is 3, 0. Part 2, find the equation of the directrix. So we already found this is the equation of directrix. So x is equal to -3. This is the equation of the directrix. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Okay, so just find the coordinate of the vertex and the focus point and find the equation of the directrix. Y squared is equal to 20x. So we know that the vertex is still 0, 0. So I just quickly do a quick sketch first. So this is x and y axis. So vertex 0, 0 and it's positive. So the curve is like this. So what I do now, I know because of y squared, so we can compare. So y squared equal 4ax. Now I just compare the coefficient. So that means 4a is equal to 20. So divide by 4 both sides. So a is 5. So this means that all the way from here to here, this is a focus point, 5 units. So that means 5, 0. And then from here to here is the directrix, so which is 5 as well. So therefore, this equation x is -5. So I just quickly answer the question now. So coordinate of the vertex is v is 0, 0. And then the focus point f is 5, 0. Part 2, find the equation of the directrix. So equation of directrix is this one here. So x is equal to -5. Please stop the video and do this question yourself. So first of all, we know that the vertex is 0, 0 because y squared equals -16x. So the vertex is 0, 0. And I just do a quick sketch so it makes it easier to answer those questions. So I just draw the axis first. So this is y axis and this is x. Now, because y squared equals -16x is negative sideways parabola, so we're just facing this way. That's all. That's the only difference. Okay. Now, I compare. So which is, I know that because of y squared, so I know that is y squared is equal to 4ax. So 4a equal to -16. So 4a equal -16 divided by 4 both sides. So a must be equal to -4. Now, a, it depends how you interpret it. Okay, a is negative just to show you that the parabola is on this side here. This side here, that's all. But you can just ignore negative, so you know the focal length is positive. So focal length is 4 units. So this means from here to here is 4. So that means this here is -4. Here, -4, 0 is the focus point. And then, of course, from here to here is the directrix. So which is x is equal to, because this length is also 4, so it's 4. So I can answer all these questions now. The focus point, f -4, 0. Then part 2, find the equation of the directrix. So equation of directrix is x is equal to 4. Now, this equation here, so slightly different, but the process is exactly the same. So first of all, we know that the vertex has been shifted. So the vertex is x is equal to -3 and y is 2. So the vertex, first of all, the vertex turning point, if you like, -3, 2. That is the vertex. So I just do a quick sketch first. So just draw the axis. So this is x, this is y. Now the vertex is -3, 2, -3, 2 roughly here. So -3, 2. That's the vertex. I just quickly draw a parabola now, and it's positive, so it's facing this way. And then just roughly. Now, this is the equation, okay, of the axis or axis of symmetry. So now to find the focus point, so first of all, we compare the coefficient first. I just clear this first. Now you know that this is y squared, so we use the rule y squared equal 4ax. Now 4a is the coefficient. Make sure x here is 1, okay? So the coefficient of this one must be 1, otherwise you take out the coefficient like this form. So we know that is 4. So we know 4a is equal to 4. So a is 1. So now we know that from the vertex to here is 1 unit. So from -3, you go to the left 1 unit. So that means -2. And then 2, which is right down. So this is the focus point. So you go, therefore, the focus point is -2, 2. Now to find the directrix, we can easily, okay, just look from the vertex, go 1 unit to the left. So this is the equation of that directrix. Let's see. Find the equation of the directrix. So from -3, because the vertex is -3, 2. So from -3, you move 1 to the left. So this means that x is equal to -4. So therefore, the equation of the directrix is x is equal to -4. Please stop the video and do this one yourself. So first of all, we know that the vertex of this, okay, V is X is 1 and Y is -3. That's the vertex. Now I just do a quick sketch, it makes it easier, that's all. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So 1 minus 3 is roughly down here. So -1, 1, -3. And then it's positive, so which means the parabolas face this way, like that. So now, because it's y square, so which is right, the rule is y square is equal to 4ax. So 4a is equal to 16. So 4a is equal to 16. Divide by 4 both sides, a is 4. So this means that from the vertex, I just draw the axis of symmetry first. So now I go from 1, because it's x value, and go 4 units to the right. So from here to here 4. So from 1 to 4 is 5. So which means this is the focus point, 5 minus 3. So now the focus point is 5, -3. Now to find the equation of directrix, because the focal length is 4, so you move 4 to this side. So start from 1, move 4 units to the left. So it should be x equal to -3. Because start from 1, you move 1, and you need another 3 more. So now therefore, the equation of directrix is x equal to -3. Thank you so much for watching.